That'll be a bit of a funny moment in your video, dude.
It blew itself apart. Got ourselves an epic, beautiful XB. Let's go start off. First things first. We're sitting here in an XB hardtop. Sun's blaring. Our windows are up, and we are cool as cucumbers.
Cool as.
Thanks to this incredible aircon system that we got in this thing. Bucket list cars. I think every car guy in Australia would want.
Yep.
And this thing just looks the part. That really deep blue, the stripes on the side, the real deal Simmons on it, and of course it's got a cranky Clevo with a 5-speed manual. It ticks the boxes, mate.
It came into us, got an upgraded front suspension. We changed the arms to tubular A-arms with coilovers. We swapped the factory brakes for Wilwood disc brakes. So yeah, recoded the booster, master, replaced all the corroded lines. Basically, yeah, just got it pulling up. So fixed, replumbed all aircon lines. We did things like repaired door hinges, regapped bonnet guards and door. And now for the interesting part, the engine.
Done to the it's power steering though. Holy shit. It's a 351 Clevo in it?
It's a 351 Cleveland. It came to us, it had already had a pretty big cam installed. And then full engine build as well, including some CHI cylinder heads and a camshaft that's, yeah, it's quite large. It's something like old John Zappi or Victor Bray would use at the track. Huge mofo, so to speak.
You know, every part of this car is just put together nicely. It turns and steers well.
Yep. No, everything's tight. There's no noises, no rattles, no clunks.
And the gearbox, what's the gearbox?
I believe it's a TKX 5-speed from Tramac. So it's one of their newer items. From memory, it replaced the TKO. But what a shift it feels. It feels amazing.
A true blue Aussie muscle car.
Yep, it's the full package.
It blew itself apart. How good does this thing sound though, man?
Amazing.
Performance, and I actually remember seeing it at my opening as well.
Yep, that's right. Yeah, it was there.
I didn't realise this was the same car.
There you go.
Oh, dude. This thing is fantastic. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the episode. We know we did.
Sure did.
If you need any parts or any work done in your car, give us a call, check out the website. See you next time.
See you guys.